Well, it's COVID season, and what better place to socially distance than the prairie of South Dakota? I've got two high school friends hunting with me this time. Nick is here with his two Brittany's. Camille is a spunky little dog who will do just about anything to get a bird in her mouth. The minute I have a bird in my bag, Camille won't leave me alone.
She came flying over there the second that gun went off. I'm like, oh,
she's birdie.
And Logan, with his solid point, is just as solid a retriever.
Point. Ready? Oh. Oh. Rooster! Fetch!
Chris is my other friend. He brought with him his new Vizsla pup, Roscoe, who's barely a year old. Although this is his maiden voyage, so to speak, it's already obvious he's going to be an incredible bird dog once he's polished up. We also have Kojak, who is my Vizsla. He's 3 years old, though this year is only his second full season with me, and he needs plenty of his own polishing.
Get it.
We've been working on retrieving all summer long, and my biggest goal for this hunt is to get him some real-life wild bird retrieves.
Good dog.
And then there's me, the dork wearing the stupid-looking GoPro on his hat. But no complaining, because if it weren't for that, you wouldn't be watching this. On the first day of the hunt, we were lucky enough to get invited to hunt private land with some of my local friends. The thick, tall grass on their property and the relentless wind made it difficult for the dogs to lock down birds. Only a couple of them hunkered down as tight as this one did.
There's a point right here. You ready? Okay. Find it. Was there. Right there. Hen. Hen. Good boy, Jack.
Despite the wind, we ended up doing very well.
Pretty sure that one's dead.
The rest of the week we hunted just the three of us on a combination of private and public lands.
Hand.
Find it! Get it, buddy. Get it. Bring it to me. Come on. Get it. Come on, get it. Where is it? Where is it? Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Okay, give. No. Good boy, Jack. Yeah, we got to work on a retrieve. He picked it up and dropped it right away. Were you on that?
Yeah, I did it.
Okay.
You and I both did it together.
I don't know. I think I wasn't. It didn't feel real solid. It may have been. I'll have to look at the GoPro footage, but it didn't feel.
I smacked him. I know.
Yeah, it's probably your bird.
I zoomed in and slowed the video way down, and I think you can see my shot missed the bird, and Chris's shot pattern is what kills it. So good shot, Chris. That was one of many birds that came out of the grasses bordering that little creek, and almost all of them flew north up into a tree line that we had permission to hunt. I dropped Nick and Chris off at one end with their dogs and drove the truck down and posted up at the other end. At the end of the tree line, Roscoe locked up on a solid point. Chris ended up flushing the rooster and shot it. And that was a cool moment because I think it was Roscoe's first pointed killed bird, if I'm not mistaken.
And
That was like,
that's
that was
exciting.
freaking
That's
awesome to watch him
When
do that.
when you were like, he's on. Oh, there he is. I'm like, okay, this has got to
Well,
be
he-
Chris's moment.
He's doing one of those where he's running this way, but he can't just sit this way, so his body's pointing this way, but he's curled like this.
Logan, here. Yeah.
And he's like curled, and he's got this thing nailed.
Yeah.
All right. Won't waste any time driving.
Let me get out with Jack, and I'll just start working over towards those hay bales. So one of you get down on the corner and work toward, like, at the, it's kind of a triangle here that narrows down. Come. That's the one. That's the one they were pointing. Not me. Freaking wound 3 birds today.
That one, he like stopped and he's thinking about dying and he just stood there. And he's like,
He was like, just kidding, I'm going. I can't freak. I mean, Kojak had a solid point. I suck today. Absolutely suck. And I'm just done. Tomorrow's gonna be a better day.
Tomorrow was better. In fact, one of the most memorable moments of the hunt for me came the next morning when I shot a double on public land. The dogs got really birdy as we hunted a tree line in the middle of the property. Kojak and Logan both locked up several times, but we could tell that the birds were running.
I think they're running though.
all right,
Come on.
all right, Lo.
Yeah, definitely birdie.
Finally, when we came to the end of the tree line, the roosters came up, but not to my right in the trees, rather to my left.
I need your help finding these.
Logan's bringing you one.
All right, come here, Logan. Come. Come here. Camille took it from him. Good girl. Come here. Hey. Come here. Good girl. Give. Good girl. It's a mature bird. Let's go down. Let's go downwind to that. The other one. I dropped 2. Holy cow! You're shooting a bazooka or what?
The following morning, we decided to pinch a shallow ditch full of cattails and cheatgrass. Me and Nick were going to come down from the north and Chris from the south. However, Nick and I barely made it to the north end when 7 roosters came up in a span of about 30 seconds. I should have had the GoPro running because the dogs were very birdy, even though they weren't on point yet. But unfortunately, I only turned it on in time to catch the last flush and shot.
There's another one in here, right in here. Get it, buddy. Come here. Come. Come here. Get it, bud. Come on. Come here. Get it, buddy. Come on. Good boy. Good boy. Come here. Good boy. Bring it to me. Come on. Come on. Get it. Come on. You had it till that shot scared you, didn't it? Good boy. Hey. Go get it, find it. Go on. Take Jack out there. Come on, bring it. Come. Go, Jack, go. Good boy. Good boy. Come here. Good boy. Come.
Logan!
Come here.
Logan!
Oh, don't. You gotta finish it. Hey, come here. Come on, get it. Get it, buddy. Come on. Don't drop it. Get it. Hey, get it. Come on. Good boy. Go, Jack. Good boy. How many did you shoot?
I shot 3! I made you shoot!
3? Looks like we're done.
It was in this same field as we were walking out that I heard something coming through the corn, which turned out to be this buck. We had a stare down for a while. This next bird was my favorite bird of the week, not because it was an overly impressive shot, and not because the bird held for an amazing point, rather because Kojak finally put a full retrieve together. We walked a tree line with me on the right, Chris in the middle, and Nick on the left. I could tell by Kojak's body language that he was in and out of fresh scent, which meant to me that the birds were not holding tight, but that they were there. Pheasants prefer to run, and if they can't do that, then they'll try and hide, and if they can't do that, then they'll finally flush for a shot. I think he accidentally bumped these birds, but luckily I was right there for the shot.
Good boy, bring it here. Come. Rooster! Come on, Kojak, bring it here. Come. Come, bring it here. Good boy. Good boy. Good dog. Good boy. Good dog. another. One more. Restore!